up, guys? So it's been a while since I give you an update. It's been a fruitful year out here working, picking up a little bit of this stuff that's left over from all the remodeling this year. Done a ton to the house. For those of you that don't know, Tori and I moved in here while she was pregnant with our first baby, Willow, and that was back in 2023. It's like February 23. Bought the house in 22. Worked on it for about 6 months and replaced a lot of old rotted wood and things like that. But this was a big achievement this year. Completely replaced all the framing, the structure, the old rotted doors, and then also on the other side here, same thing. Completely replaced all the framing. And so just picking up some of this leftover trash and rot windows and stuff. I think we've hauled like 3 dumpsters worth of stuff out of here. But yeah, man, it's just been a great year. Blessed. Got a new kid on the way. It's gonna be a boy. I'm gonna be a dad again. Like, it's just kind of cool stuff. And then just like business related, really business and like spiritually, like just tying in, man, like realizing that it's life's humbling, and if you're not careful, if you're not appreciative of the gifts that you're given, life will take them away, man. It'll teach you lessons. Just blessed, man. Blessed to have a loving wife, and it's going to be a mom again. I'll be a dad again, kiddos, and like we spent a lot of time the last 2 weeks with family, having Christmases, and you know, the end of every year, I give my entire team the last 2 weeks of the year off. So like the week of Christmas and the week of New Year's, we take off. It's a paid holiday. And we hooked them up with some good Christmas bonuses this year. That was fun. Had a great Christmas party. But the last 2 weeks of the year, man, Christmas and New Year's, I just think it's so important to let my team like go be with their families, because their family, you know, lends them to me all year long, so that we can build these cool businesses and do cool things and innovate and create new things. And that ties back into spirituality too. Like I truly believe, like, I'm no theologian. You guys will never hear me say that, but I just feel like if we're created in God's image and He was a creator, then we're supposed to create. You know, I just think that's the coolest thing about life, is that we can create because we're made in God's image, and no other animal, no other species does that, right? Like, that's why it's important to set goals. That's why it's important to dream big. That's why it's important to chase your wild dreams, because we're the only species that can do it. So it's been a good year, man. I hope you've had a great year. I hope you've prospered. I hope you've grown as a person. I hope you've gotten closer with your family. Maybe you've mended some relationships. But know that the new year's coming and it's a fresh start, and you know, maybe you need to make some changes this coming year. Maybe you got some big plans, big dreams that you're going to go chase down. And you don't have to have anybody believe in them but you. When nobody else believes in you, man, it's the most important time in your life to believe in yourself. So I know somebody needed to hear that today. Never give up. Never give up. You got to continue to believe in yourself. I got big stuff planned for next year, man. We'll obviously be back on the circuit again. You guys will see me. I'll be on stages all across the U.S. A lot more virtual trainings next year, a lot more webinars. Looking forward to that here in the studio on the farm. That's a... There's the thumbnail. That's not a real dead body. That's a leftover Halloween decoration. It gets quite windy up here, so I must have blown down there. That's hilarious. That's going to make a great thumbnail. Yeah, big things planned for next year, man. More webinars, more speeches, and we've got some cool updates coming to Alley. We just launched our AI-powered dashboards, you now can ask our AI platform to interpret the data on your dashboard, which is pretty cool. So we've got some of that cool stuff rolling out. The team I know is going to grow. We're going to add new team members. Already got some cool people in the pipeline that's working with us. Some new copywriters, some new media buyers, engineering. It's cool, man. Life's fun, man. You got to live it. You know what I'm saying? Cool. There's your update, folks. I'll try to put out more content. I'm gonna put out more content. We're gonna be vlogging again. We're gonna be putting out more vlog content like this. I got more podcasts gonna be doing. Full day of podcast every single month dropping content. And I don't know. You know me, man. I don't know. Maybe we'll fuck around and sell some beef or something. I don't know. I've got some like Black Angus over the hill. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Hustle, it's worth it, baby.